Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to protect your Excel document file with a password in Office. So to start, on my desktop, I have a document named doc file. In it, I have a file, Excel file named notes. This is my Excel, that's note file. I double click on it to open it. So to protect this file from unauthorized open or unauthorized view, I need to add a password with. So to add a password, you go to file, then you click on save as, then you search the place that you want to save the document or Excel file to. Then you click on choose, then you choose general option. After that, you type the password that you want to protect your Excel file. So I type my password. So this will authenticate anybody. If you want to open the document, he or she need to type the password to get access to the document. So I type the modification password to modify it. Then after that, I click OK. Then I save. Then I click save to replace it with this permission. So after clicking it to open, pop-up message appeared to type the password. Then I type the password. This will grant me access to the document. So you can make any changes. After that, you save it to protect your file from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching.